Hi, how are you? In this video, I'm telling you about how to make money online from anywhere in the world. Your means you always stay in the homes and make money online. Anywhere stay homes and you can make money online. First, we'll go to you can just learn affiliate programs. You can make money online. You can learn drop shipping codes and make money online. Create an online course, you can make money online, and membership sites, you can make money online. Online make money online. Website app for clients, your homes on Airbnb. Instruments, music instruments, you can make money online. Okay. Remote works, switch to remote works and make money online. Travel to a company and click the photo and selling zone, Shutterstocks and e-commerce platforms, you can make money online. You can use just your own cell phones, you can make money online. Okay. Affiliate marketing, freelance articles, surveys with survey जो कि follow an influencer, you can make money online. You have make money online. Okay. Get paid to shop sneakers, online codes, use textbooks. Hong Kong, Turkey, you can make money online. Print on demands, YouTube channels can make money online through online course. You can make money online. You are publish ebooks on Amazon like eBay, Etsy, and everywhere place you can make money online. Freelance designers, products online, investors, hot cards on Amazon, mechanical truck one day. But you can earn extra money by watching this video and gift. Learn make money online first. Luxembourg and France median annual salary. Become a virtual assistant. You can a lot of money. You can handle a online stores person which can create an owners. In this video, that may be enough. If you're first time, please subscribe my channels and you can more watching this video make money online. Bye. Take care.